Hey guys, welcome back to 天天 Chinese，欢迎回到天天中文。So, did you review? 你都复习了吗 ？So, if you are not, go check my previous lessons. 如果你没有，记得去看我之前的视频。Okay, so in today's lesson, we are going to learn weather. Yes, 在今天的课程里，我们将要学的是天气。Okay, so I know a lot of foreigners like to talk about the weather. 我知道很多外国朋友喜欢谈论天气。So, do you know them in Chinese? 那你知道怎么样用中文来聊天气吗 ？Okay, so if you are ready, let's get started. 好，欢迎大家来到第8课的学习。Welcome to our lesson 8. 在这节课里，我们要学习的是天气。So in today's lesson, we are going to learn the weather. 天气 Okay, so first vocabulary. 第一个词天气 the weather. So how do you ask the weather? Okay, 怎么样去提问呢 So the sentence will be 今天天气怎么样 Okay, 今天 means today. Okay, today. How is the weather today? So here, 怎么样 to ask how. How is the weather today? 今天天气怎么样 Okay, so how about how is the weather tomorrow? What's the weather be like tomorrow? So it's 明天 tomorrow is 明天天气怎么样 Okay, 明天天气怎么样 How do we answer? 怎么回答呢 If we say, oh, it's very good, the weather is very good, you can say 天气很好 very good 天气很好 If you say the weather is not very good, it's bad, then you can say 天气不好which means bad, not very good 不好 Okay, 好 So how about your country? So 今天天气怎么样 So you can tell me on the comment section Okay, 好 Next one, to describe the weather 来描述一下天气 The vocabulary we can use 我们可以用 First one, warm 暖和 Okay, 暖和means warm Okay, 好 So how do we say 今天Today is very warm So we can say 今天很暖和 Today is very warm Okay, next one Hot means 热 Okay, so how do we say Today is very hot 今天很热 Very hot 很热 Okay, so there is another one 今天非常热 Okay, 今天非常热it's very very hot 今天非常热 Okay, next one Cold We say 冷 Okay, so today is not cold We can say 今天不冷 Okay, 今天不冷 Or today is very hot, very cold 今天非常冷very cold 非常冷 And next one humid humid We say 潮湿潮湿 is humid especially in the summer Okay, 好 So let's review the season, the 4 seasons. 4 seasons. Season is 季节 Okay, so spring, autumn, spring, summer, autumn, and winter. We say 春天夏天秋天 and 冬天 If we want to say summer is humid 夏天很潮湿 Okay, 夏天很潮湿 Okay, so let's look at the picture 我们来看一下图片 First one, it's sunny sunny day Sunny is 晴天 Okay, 晴天 Because here, sun in Chinese, we say 太阳太阳 is sun 晴天晴天会有大太阳晴天出大太阳 Next one, 第二个 It's rainy rainy is 下雨下雨 So rain is 雨雨下雨 Next one is cloudy cloudy 多云多云 or sometimes there is no sun 没有太阳的时候 also a lot of clouds 有很多云 we can also say 阴天 okay 阴天 so 云cloud in Chinese we say 云 okay next one it's stormy stormy 暴风雨暴风雨 so here风 means wind wind so 雨 is the rain we just mentioned 暴风雨 means the heavy rain is very the strong wind so we use 暴风雨 okay next one let's see some sentences 我们来看一下句子第一个What's the forecast? What's the weather forecast? Weather forecast in Chinese we say 天气预报how is the weather? How is the forecast? 天气预报怎么样 Okay 天气预报怎么样好 Okay so the weather said the forecast says today is sunny you can say 天气预报说the weather forecast says 今天晴天 okay no rain 没有雨we can also say 不下雨不下雨没有雨或者是不下雨 there isn't rain okay not rainy day 好 next one what's the temperature temperature is 温度how is the temperature what's the temperature 温度怎么样okay温度多少温度多少 how is the temperature 温度怎么样 okay so when we talk about the temperature so we will use degree right in Chinese we say 度 okay so 度 so this one 度 okay so for example today is very hot it's 30 degrees 今天非常热有30度30 degrees 30 degrees好 so how about this one today is really cold it's below zero it's below zero okay 今天非常冷今天非常冷零下1度零下1度 okay so here 零下1度 is minus degree minus degree okay so here minus degree okay 零下1度 so here the English we say minus but in Chinese we say 零下零 means zero right 零 is zero 下 is like below 零下1度 okay 零下1度next one it's a beautiful day it's a beautiful day today is a beautiful day 今天天气真好今天天气很好today's weather is very good or very good 非常好是晴天it's a sunny day 是晴天 okay next one the weather's changing change means 变化改变变化 or 改变 okay the weather is changing 天气在变化 or how about the temperature is changing temperature 温度在变化 okay so remember the vocabulary the verb change 变化改变 okay next one is it going to get colder or is it going to get hotter 会变冷吗会变冷吗 is it going to be going to get going to change okay will is like 会going to will 好会变热吗会变热吗会变热吗there is another one we can use the temperature 我们可以用气温来说气温 to go down or go up okay we can say 气温会升高吗升高吗 or 升温吗升温升温吗升 means go up 上升上升 means go up 好 so how about go down means 下降下降go down so here we can say 气温 is the temperature going down 气温会下降吗下降吗 or in short we say 会降温吗 会降温吗 ？Okay, so make sure you remember these two phrases. Go up, 上升 ，go down, 下降。So in short, 升温 ，okay, so the temperature go higher. 降温 the temperature go lower. 降温 ，okay. Next one, it's cooling down. So see, 降温降温了 ，it's cooling down. Okay, 好。Next one, is it going to freeze? Freeze like 结冰 Okay, so we say 会结冰吗会结冰吗 Okay, so here ice in Chinese we say 冰冰this is 冰会结冰吗 Freeze Okay, 好 let's look at the picture. First one, snow. Snow is 下雪because snow in Chinese is 雪会下雪吗Is it going to snow 会下雪吗雪吗会下雪吗 Or we can also say 明天Is it going to snow tomorrow 明天会下雪吗 Okay, how do we answer? We can say The weather forecast says tomorrow is going to snow. 天气预报说明天会下雪 Or in short, we can say 明天有雪 Okay, 明天有雪 Okay, next one. Icy, we just mentioned the ice means 冰 So icy is 结冰Okay, so for example, 今天零下10度 OK, 今天零下10度外面结冰了外面结冰了 So here, can you guess the meaning? 大家可以猜一下这个意思是什么 So 今天零下10度 So today the temperature is minus 10 degrees Okay, minus 10 degrees So 外面 means outside 外面结冰了 is icy is freezing 外面结冰了 Okay, next one, misty, okay, so usually it's like after the rain 在雨天过后 misty with 起雾下薄雾Okay, or 起雾mist because mist is 雾mist is 雾 Okay, 起雾了Okay, last one, it's windy Okay, 刮风 is windy because in Chinese the wind is 风 Okay, okay, let's make a sentence. For example, don't go outside, it's windy Don't go out, it's windy outside Okay, 别出门 don't go out 出门 means go out 别出门外面在刮风It's windy outside. There is a wind outside. Okay, 别出门外面在刮风 Okay, so let's review a little bit for what we have learned. So first one, 天气 weather 天气 What's the weather like? 天气怎么样 Okay, 天气怎么样 It's good. 天气很好天气很好 It's bad. 天气不好天气不好 It's warm. 天气暖和天气暖和 It's hot. 天气很热天气很热 It's cold. 天气冷天气冷 It's humid. 天气潮湿天气潮湿 Okay, vocabulary. It's sunny. 晴天晴天 It's raining. 下雨 It's cloudy. 多云 It's stormy. 暴风雨 Next one, what's the forecast? 天气预报怎么样天气预报怎么样 What's the temperature? 气温怎么样气温怎么样 It's 10 degree 10度It's a beautiful day 天气真好天气真好 The weather's changing 天气在变化，天气在变化。Is it going to get colder? 会变冷吗？会变冷吗？ Or you can also say 会降温吗？会降温吗？ Is it going to get hotter? 会变热吗？会变热吗？ Or you can also say 会升温吗？会升温吗？ It's cooling down. 降温了，降温了。Is it going to freeze? 会结冰吗？会结冰吗？ It's snowing. 下雪，下雪。It's icy. 结冰，结冰。It's misty. 下薄雾，下薄雾。It's windy. 刮风，刮风。Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. So did you get it? 这就是今天的课程，你都学会了吗？ So next time when you see me, 下次你见到我的时候 you can ask me how is the weather in Chinese. 你就可以用中文来问我今天天气怎么样。Okay, so if you think this video is useful, please give me a like or buy me a coffee to support me. Thank you very much. 如果你觉得这个视频有用的话，记得分享给你的朋友，非常感谢你的支持。And remember to practice after the class. 记得课后复习。Or if you want to book a one-on-one personalized course with me, go check my Fiverr page. Okay? So see you next time. 下节课见。Bye.